I asked the question, answer me. Where are you coming back from?
You reduce your voice?
Stupid, you say that I will whack your face.
I have no right to lay your filthy hands on me, you're not crazy.
We are gradually losing our daughter and we must retrieve her before we lose her completely.
Give it to me,
Stop
give it to
it.
me.
Stop it.
I will kill you now. I will kill you.
Yeah.
Give it. Oh my God. Oh my. It's my wife, Zikora. She just left me. She saw the pregnancy test that Camilla brought and she got angry and left.
I will not have you become rude to my guests. Not anymore. I don't just like that guy. He's not our class.
Camilla! Learn how to cook. Because you don't even know the kind of man you're going to marry.
Don't touch that gate. Don't dare!
What is the meaning of this? I'm sorry. Where are you coming from?
I am coming from the shop, of course.
Ow!
How dare you do this?
Come back to your senses. Come back to your senses. If she wants to do anyhow, let her go to her own husband's house and do anyhow.
Andy, you were cheating on me with this thing. Andy, she just called me a thief.
30 million naira is a huge sum.
30 million what?
Friend, it's my life that we're talking about here.
My friend, you don't have life. Oh. Being a dry cleaner is no life.
So you've gotten so wayward to the extent of having unprotected sex
At the same time, terminating the pregnancy.
You over-pampered her during her young age. And now she has grown too big. You can't control her excesses any longer.
I think you sending her abroad was a huge mistake.
I can't believe that we changed overnight. Baby, why are you doing this to me? You promised our love will last all. Where is the love you promised me? I have tried my best to be the best for you. Tell me, where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? You tore my heart in